We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up CMG stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle, and it looks like it's coming from a support. So we have price action overall, higher highs of that market. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. Second level highs. So we can see price is between second level highs and price action highest high of the market. So let's see what's going on. Okay, zooming into price action is a bullish green candle that's engulfing the second last candle. We can see that market price pushed down from somewhere. So we do have price action overall higher highs, and then price action overall lower lows of that area, and that's between the price action high and the second level highs. So if we place a midpoint in the middle, we can see that that market has broke that midpoint, came back to retest, and we are receiving an engulfment pattern that can push that market up to previous areas of resistance. So overall, that market could be doing a few things right now. Let's say that market's going to work its way up. We are identified that market's coming from the break and retest engulfment pattern can push that market up, but also we can see that market coming down from a double bottom decline, first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for that fourth leg to break out of the midpoint of that area, price action high of that area, price action low, midpoint. So we can see that market will break, create that W formation, may retest or may receive bullish candles, working its way back up to that resistance. Okay, also that market can drop down from a decline, so if that does happen, it could be an overall. So we see this market is going to push up to a certain extent. So we can see that market tagging that first leg, overall second leg. Let's say it stops at the midpoint of that third leg and then comes back down if it doesn't break that midpoint of that area, and we'll receive that double top formation. Headed down to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame, and here go the W that we identified earlier in the monthly time frame. So price action bullish green candle engulfing the previous side, very dominant for that market to still push up to the same area we found earlier of that midpoint of price action overall highs at the top, and that second level highs that we did find below price at the support. So at that area, we can see that formation that's forming for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market did a retest. Market pushed up once. Okay, market is near the midpoint of that area. So if you think about it as zone, it can be enough of an area for a touch, and that market can come right back down. If not, we'll see that market break up into the resistance. So far, that market is working up bullish to the previous area. Now, if that market does come down, it's going to come down from multiple touches at that midpoint of that area, which will be identifying the first leg, second leg, overall third leg, fourth leg. So we have that M pattern. So price action can be the retest, and we'll receive a bearish red candle that's going to engulf the bullish green candle or a pattern in that area. Market can push down from a double top and a retest. Headed down to the daily time frame, price action reading the same thing from the weekly. In the daily, bullish green candle engulfing all the previous sides. So are we going to see price reach further up to that resistance line, or is that it? If so, it can run into an area of resistance and work its way sideways before it break up or break down. And same as well, we can see that patterns with market tag that area multiple times, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, pushed back down, came back for a full retest. So still we're looking for that pattern to identify itself and form to see if that market's going to push up or push down from current price. Price action on the 4-hour time frame, bullish green candle, same as the daily time frame. 3-hour time frame, we have price actions, the bullish green candle, same angles. 2-hour time frame. Okay, so price action on the 2-hour time frame is a bullish green candle, could be a support of that high of that second last candle in the market. So what we identify is market broke up, price action can be the retest and trying to work its way up. So it's like on that first leg into the second leg. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame. So price action still reading the same thing as a support leg. Bullish candle is engulfing the previous side, but you can see it's below the second last candle wick. So what's happening is it's creating a consolidation. Market's working way sideways, so it just price went up in this area and just worked its way sideways to one level over from the second last candle. So we're waiting for a pattern to form to see if that market's going to push down, push up. So far, price action leg like a support leg that can be pushed up further. And let's identify what we see on the 45-minute. On the 45-minute, second last 45-minute price action candle is a bullish green candle, but it's within the second last candle with this a doji. So we want to see the price action candle engulf the second last candle to close out to push that market up. Okay, so what's happening is that the third last candle of the market pushed up to that high, second last candle is a retest, and price action is the push. So we are on that second leg as we identified, I think probably on the 2-hour time frame or the 3-hour time frame. So it's reading the same thing, headed down to the 30, same as well, headed down to the 15. Okay, so now we can see it clear a better retest with the second last candle and third last candle. Price action is a bullish green candle. So let's see what's going on in that area. Okay, so what we have going on here could be a few things. If that market can drop from this area of resistance, it can tag that area already for the first leg, second leg, price action to third leg push. If we receive a bearish candle or pattern that's going to identify that market to push down, we'll be seeing the double top M pattern. And if that market does push up, it could be an incline W or just follow up with a break and retest overall. So the market broke, came back to retest, price actions to push. So it will look like this: first leg, second leg with the full breakout, come back to retest for the third leg, market pushing up for that fourth leg, or we'll just receive consolidation within the third to last candle price action until it fully breaks out. Headed down to the 5. Okay, so we can see that resistance that's trying to happen. Okay, so price action is tagging the top of that high, pushing down, work his way with a bearish red candle. If we receive the engulfment to close, price action can be coming down from overall first leg, second leg, third leg, price coming back down to the previous area for that double top. Now that market's going to be respected in that area here for a support leg. It'll be looking like this: first leg pushing up in green, second, third leg with the red, green with the fourth, red leg with the fifth leg, and market pushes up. So that's coming from a triple bottom. The price comes back down for a retest of that midpoint in this area here, and the market can work its way back up from a triple top or overall quadruple top or a triple bottom and a retest. Headed down to the 3. Market's working its way sideways on the 3-hour time frame with a little bit of push down. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame, the 1-minute time frame, same as well. Consolidating, so you want to wait till that pattern form in that area. CMG.